Hello, in this video we are going to see how to set page load timeout. So we have method page load timeout we can set. It means that driver will try 30 seconds max to wait for a page load. So here we can see but we do not require to use this method because nRoBo is dynamically checking until the page is fully loaded by checking its ready state. So nRoBo is checking, waiting for page load until its ready state becomes complete. So let me show you. Let's go to superclass constructor nRoBo, and here we can see we are waiting for page to be loaded, and if we go inside, we can see that nRoBo is waiting until document ready state is complete, and we have max timeout configured, that is configured in nRoBo config.yml, that is already set in this nRoBo.config nRoBo config.yml file. So that is already set. So we do not need to worry about page load timeout. Thank you.